In page 123, we have the exercises related to the midpoints. Here, in number 2, we're gonna do two types of exercises. One when the x and y coordinate are numerical, and the other one when they are letters. To show you this is very simple. What we need to remember is exactly the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 over 2. This is for the x coordinate, and for the y coordinate is going to be similar but with y1 plus y2 over 2. So as usual, we just set the 2 points that we want to find the midpoint. So for example, in exercise 2, we're going to do the first one, the letter A. So we have 2 points. A, that is 5 and 2, and we have B, in this case is 1 and 8. As before, I write my x and y to remember those are the x coordinate and those points here, those values are the y. When I have my 2 points, simply replace. So I need to decide which one is my point 1 or my point 2. Here it doesn't matter. So whoever you decide to choose, you have to remember that which one is going to be the first and which one is going to be the second. Once identify, I can start to replace. So the x1 and x2 are those two, so I just have to do the sum, 5 plus 1, and they are over 2. And for the y coordinate, I have to do y1, 2 plus y2, that's 8, 2 plus 8. Easy number over 2. There you go. So if I simplify, 5 plus 1 is 6 over 2, that's 3. And 2 plus 8, that's 10, divided by 2, that's 5. So my midpoint is 3 and for the x coordinate and 5 for the y coordinate. Very simple. Now let's use letters. I'm going to choose right now to solve, I'm going to say to solve the letter J, and my point A has the next coordinate point, that's A and B. Now for B, I will have in this case negative A and 3B. Again, super simple. Need to write x and y, so don't forget which one are the x and which one are the y. I decide which point is going to be my point number 1 and which is going to be my point number 2. When I have defined those, I start to replace in the formula. Another card. My x1, that's A, plus my x2. What's my x2? Negative A. Interesting. So here I get my negative A over 2. That's my bracket for the x coordinate. Now y coordinate, we're going to do y1, that's B, plus my b2, that is 3b, over 2. Simplify, A minus A, that's 0. Anything 0 divided by anything is always going to be 0. B plus 3b, that's 4b. 4b divided by 2, that's, I'll just simplify the numerical, I should have 2b. There you go. That's how simple it is.